Alright, it's been a while, but I'm ready to put my carbs back together. The main thing I was actually waiting on is this stuff right here, CX500D. If you are looking to purchase some of this, I do not recommend Walmart. It took almost 3 weeks for it to come online, which is so weird. They don't sell it in store. Wish I would have gotten it on Amazon. It was more expensive on Amazon. That's what was weird. That's what happens when you're trying to do this on the cheap. Anyway, here are my new parts over here and some of my old parts. I just want to show some kind of before and after. For example, I've got my air cut off. This is the old one. Super nasty, real corroded. If you put that up to the light, like part of it is see-through. This is the new one. That's what it's supposed to look like. Nice and flexible rubber. Another part that was pretty bad was the accelerator pump. So here's my old one. You see those little Mickey Mouse ears up there? Yeah, there's supposed to be holes there, and this is like really stiff. But there's the new one. You can see a real big difference. You can actually see through those holes right there. My focus, there we go. And this rubber is like nice and pliable. So yeah, I have also had to get new, whatever those things are, idle pins. Because this one was my broken one. This is, I'm pretty sure what the stock kind of look like. It has this top on there, but I'm having a hard time focusing on stuff. Right, so you can adjust it by hand, I guess, but some people online recommended that if you're going to switch one out, you might as well just switch them both out. Then it's easier to sync everything and whatnot. Sorry, I got my other random stuff up there, but yeah, here we go. I'm ready to put stuff back together. Okay, so I got freaked out for a second because your little rubber plug for your idle jet, I tried putting it in and it just sunk right in. Not all the way as a cap, but I was like, oh no, I cleaned it so well that now this thing is loose. I'm going to have to buy some more. But no, the guys online said just soak these in some gasoline and they will puff right up. Basically, it just got dehydrated. So put it back in. Yeah, now it's nice and snug. It's not coming back out. Like, it was so loose that if I would have tipped this over, it would have just fallen right out. So, good. And then another little thing I found is that if I put that boot on there the right way, the bigger end would go on the bottom right here. As I put this on, it will go into this hole easier. But when I tried to put this little gasket thing into that hole first, this line on the, or the rod on the accelerator pump, like, it just pushed the gasket like all the way through. It was super annoying. So it just, yeah, that seemed to be easier. All right, let's get these put back together. All right, for now they're done. I don't know if I explained why I used the CX500D, but it is because I switched out my JIS screws for, focus, Allen head stainless steel screws. So on my bowls, on my accelerator pump, sorry, I don't know where to point, on my, where's my finger, air cutoffs, there and there. Those are all the same size, just kind of different lengths depending. I just kind of took them into the hardware store and just kind of matched them up. And then I got, of course, new idle screws on both sides. They are seated all the way down. As far as I know, you're supposed to back them out 2.5 turns. I'll have to look it up what the manual says. And then I put just 2 more up on top, right there and right there. Those are a little bigger, but I didn't do these bracket ones because I didn't take the brackets off, or that top one either. I didn't take them apart. Just left them together, cleaned them that way. We'll see if I can get them back running. I think this winter I'll probably take them apart again and I'll do like an ultrasonic clean. And I don't know, maybe have fun and like polish the bowls and polish the tops of them right there. Make them look real cool. I don't know. We'll see if I get time. All right, this isn't going to be super exciting of a carb video, but I'll probably throw it up anyway. Hopefully the next video is me fixing the mechanical seal and then getting the thing started again.